Hello, everybody. If you wear glasses like I do, there's something you just have to have, and that is an eyeglass kit. This kit right here has everything you need in it to replace nose pieces, screws, and just screwdrivers and everything that you would need to do something kind of small to your eyeglasses. Instead of, spending a lot of time, setting an appointment, going into the doctor, and then spending hours and hours and hours for them to do something simple for your glasses. So my solution is this kit. Let me bring it a little bit closer and show you what's in this kit and the reason why I think it's so good. We'll see you here in a second. This is the kit. It comes with a very large assortment of different nose pieces. Screws, the itty bitty little screws that it takes to replace all that if you lost something or of that nature. Very large assortment of different screws and nuts and washers and plastic pieces. It comes with a little cleaning rag and then a screwdriver set. Of course, a little pair of tweezers. Well, you need the tweezers. You also need a magnifying glass. Well, I do. Another little precision type screwdriver. So this goes on your keychain, and it has a small Phillips on it. And on the other side, it has a flathead. And then on the very end, it has a little nut driver. So there you go. Very simple little kit that'll save you a bunch of time and money, in gas money, time, and just being able to repair it yourself, or have somebody in your family repair it for you if you're not inclined to be able to do that. If you have glasses and you have a family that, wears glasses, this is something you just got to have around. Hope that helps, and we'll see you in the next one.